of the Airwaves, lucky of the orange couch behind my paint. Okay, I started my project. Look at it. I started with my most expensive oil paints. So wait to see what's gonna come out of this IKEA canvas. But I'm extremely hyper for a different reason. What is gonna happen tomorrow? Today is the 25th of March. It's a Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday, the 26th of March. Actually, my mom's birthday. She would be 88 tomorrow. But Nadia, our superintendent and manager of the property, is gonna install a new sink, kitchen sink in my kitchen. I get a brand new sink. And today in the morning, it was delivered. It's going to be installed. So tomorrow, this is all about my new sink. I'm so happy. Have a look at Edward. Adrian and Alex. These are the names of the two gentlemen who delivered that early in the morning. So this made my day completely. The video is from the beach. Beautiful morning. And we'll see you tomorrow because my alarm is just off. Me in paradise.
Yeah, no worries.